Hello students, let us continue with our lesson electoral politics. So today we are to study what makes an election democratic. We know that in India we have a democratic setup of government and elections are held after every 5 years. And what makes election democratic in our country? First is one vote, one value. We know that all the citizens of India, say who is 18 or 18 plus, he has or she has the right to vote, and all the citizens vote has equal value. One vote, one value, and each one person can have has the value of one vote. Then there are a number of political parties. It means whenever elections are held, the political parties are there. It means we have the choice, or the voters have the choice to choose or to elect the person, to elect the political party they want to elect. And then regular elections are held in our country. Suppose after election one government is not functioning properly, and when the next election comes, during that election the political party is voted out of the government. In this way we can say that these things make elections democratic, or makes election in a country democratic, because in that type people have, or we can say that the voter have enough choice. Number of candidates are there, number of parties are there, regular elections are there. In this way we can say that the elections are democratic. So these things make an election democratic. Then also the next subheading is it good to have political competition? Of course, without competition in any sphere of the world, there will be no charm. It means if there is political competition in our country or during election, though it may have number of demerits. First is that the people try to vote to the person or to the candidate who belong to their own region, their own caste, religion, and also those persons also have some muscles power or money power. So because of that they try to divide the country. It means at number of times these candidates, they preach in such a way, they converse in such a way that it may lead to division among the society, in fact division among the whole of the country. So the demerits are there, no doubt. And also that in order to win election, these political parties or these candidates, they leave no stone unturned. By hook or by crook they like to, or they try to win election, and for that they can do anything they like to. That is why we often say that political competition is not good, is not safe for a democratic country. Though these are the few we can say demerits, but the merits of the competition are more. Say the person or the candidate who contests election, or the political parties which contest election, in fact they want to develop their career as a political leader. And what happens, whether they wish it or not, they have to serve the people. Suppose they will not work for the people, they will not work for the development of the country, it means they will be fearing that in the coming election they might not be voted. Vote will be there against them. That is why knowingly or unknowingly, willingly or unwillingly, they are bound to perform better, because everybody want to rise in life. That is why to ensure their leadership or to ensure their career as a political leader, the political parties or the candidates, they perform or do such job, such work, so that when the election comes after 5 years, say in 2014 BJP party, yeah, we can say that NDA was elected, and again in 2019 the same alliance has win. It means something was seen by the people, that is why they favored their same alliance and voted this alliance into power. In the same way, if they will do nothing, they will be voted out. So that is why we can say in the long run the political competition has an advantage, that the leader or the political leaders, they try to do their best for the service of the country, though in this way they may be having their own selfish motives, but they work for the betterment of the people, for the welfare of the people, because they want to develop their political career. So we can say that political competition is also good, though it has some limitations, some demerits or some disadvantages, but in the long run we will say that political leaders or political competitions have some or many advantages in it. Thank you, students.